Yeah, but she'll look at the label and all sorts and feel the texture and just, she does my head in.
Like just the other week.
Yeah.
To take like a daughter and a daughter's friend, and we went to TK Maxx.
Yeah.
And straight through the door at TK Maxx on the right hand side is all the makeup stuff, and I swear to God, we spent about an hour just in that tiny section.
Yeah.
While they perused the shelves, and I was just
Yeah.
like, oh,
That's what they do, man.
Torture.
Yeah.
Because I'm the type of person who knows what I want.
In and out.
I've been around loads of other people, so I'm in and out.
In and out. Shake it all about.
Yeah.
I know, mate. I know. I've been there, Dan. I've got the T-shirt.
Yeah.
I know exactly what. But I did say to her, look, I'm gonna try and be happy. Be happy while you're shopping. But it's just so hard. You know what else I hate? Women turn evil when they're shopping. Like, they won't move out the way from you and that. They don't even notice you're there. They're bumping into you and like, move. They're just, it's not for me shopping, like, this shopping malarkey, not for me. At all. Morning, guys. But yeah, so we got there. We didn't actually buy any decorations. I need a wreath and that to go up the stairs with lights on, but we'll have to. I'm going to take it to a garden centre next week, I think. Posh garden centre where the cakes are unbelievable. Cakes are unbelievable.
You go looking for wreaths. I'm going to sit in the restaurant bit, cafe bit.
Yeah, that's what I normally do.
Yeah.
Food fantastic as well. Okay, right, should we get amongst it? Let's do a top-down analysis on gold, see if we can catch some pips today, catch some money.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. Yesterday was terrible. I mean, even if you look at NAS, I've gone to the 1 hour time frame, look what NAS done yet. Look at that.
Do you want to share your screen?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Look at that for NASDAQ. That's all it done yesterday. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. So, yeah, obviously we know it's Thanksgiving in America. I believe with it's no bank holiday. It's Black Friday today though, isn't it? So I'm not sure how the market's actually going to shift. I probably can't see much. I think we should have some volume. All we need is volume. That's what we didn't have yesterday. Volume. Okay. So let's do a top down on gold first, and then we'll go on to NAS. So gold, from what I'm seeing, the monthly is about to close. The last day of the month now. It's about to close. So obviously it looks like it's going to be closing bullish. Right, we've got to be careful with the end of the month because when the monthly is pushing, it's going to want to create a top wick, which it's already created. But how steep is this top wick is going to be? So the whole push could be bullish, but then at the end, then the candle is going to be bearish because it's going to start pulling back for that top wick. Okay. Yeah. So the monthly though doesn't really give us much because we've only got 1 day left. So we'll go straight to the weekly. Now the weekly, we've been saying this for a couple of weeks now. The weekly zone is this. We're between here and we're between here. So therefore, where should we be going? Well, we should be coming up to 4270. Okay, 4270 on the weekly. Whether this weekly candle can do that or not, we don't know. Again, there's only 1 day left of it. In order for this weekly candle to do it, I'm not expecting this weekly to flip or nothing like that. I'm expecting it to carry on. In order for the weekly to carry on, what we expecting from this daily here? Well, we're expecting not what we're seeing here. I would have preferred a bottom wick and then a flip to the upside. The issue we've got now looking at this daily is we've already pushed up and we haven't got a bottom wick on the daily. So I would much prefer a bottom wick, at least testing this and then flip back to the upside. So if we're expecting the daily to push, the daily range, there's another range here, right? So this would be sort of, which we haven't tapped yet. So we haven't actually filled the range as such. And then lower daily range is here. So you got the weekly ranges, and you got the daily ranges. And if the daily, no, that's not the daily range, sorry, my bad. Daily range is there. We've got a retest of that zone. Now we've got a bit of rejection, and then we've got a 1 wick what taps the area, and that's like an indication that that's a zone. So I would say that's my daily zone. So if I was going to take sells today, I'd only look to take sells down to this level, and that's like extremities. But remember the daily, this daily bottom wick only needs to be that, and then it could flip back to the upside and then go. So yeah, we are bullish today, but the way this daily's opened up first is a bit of a nightmare. Yeah, because what if we get a 6-hour close like that? What does that mean? It then means we probably need to come and break these lows. So if we've got 2 hours left of the 6th, the 6th broke out, didn't fill the range. Could this just be a bottom wick? And if it is, could we see this 6 flipping? Potentially. The 6 hasn't closed yet. Let's go to 4. So where's the 4 range? So for me, that is the 4 range there. A 4168. 4 range. We've not broke below that yet. Right, we've not broke below that yet. We do have a potential wing back buy from this level, but it's the only time where price is tapped and rejected. But that's after we've been up here, so I'm not sure if it's valid. But it's the only area where you can sort of reject from. So we could potentially take that, but the probability of it is obviously low, isn't it? It's pretty low. Yeah. So we'd have to be careful with our risk. So the 4 was still bullish, and we didn't break a high. Closing back in, we need a 4 closing respecting.
Oof! Look at that.
What was that there?
It's so the 4s give a bottom wick to the daily opening.
Yeah.
Tiny little one, and then it's rejected.
Well, that was the 4. That was the 4. 3 again, bullish can flip to the upside. 2 is still respected. What's this 2? Is it?
That was a like 200 pip jump there.
Yeah. So that's the 2 zone for me. So if we can get a bullish close on maybe the 1, get a bullish close on the 1, and I get a bottom wick, we might get in for buys for the flip.
Yeah.
There is another wing back here. Price has rejected. Ideally, what I would have liked is a close into this area and then a close back above, then I would take that.
Yeah.
That's what would be perfect for me. Not sure we're going to get that. 4 hasn't closed yet, the 4 could flip to the upside. Carry on. 3. 2 hours left. Could this 3 just flip to the upside to fill the rest of the range? Potentially. 2 hasn't broke out. 1 hasn't broke out. 30 hasn't broke out. And the 15 hasn't broke out. If we can get a 15-minute close like this, and I can get a steep bottom wick, tapping this support level again, we might have buy stops above that. But if the 15 closes like this, I can actually see the new 15 just opening, pushing. Yeah. But this is a bit tricky, because where would you put your stops at this point?
Yeah.
Stops are going to be difficult. You'd have to do a swoop entry where 15 comes down, and then buy stop above, and then stop would just be underneath the 15. Hoping that the 15 doesn't come back down. But 20 minutes left of the 30. The issue we've got as well is this is a minor support level we're rejecting from. Actually, what's this here? go straight through here. Look at that wing back area there. What a big back on that.
Yeah.
15.
Is your is it moving at all? It's just made that massive pullback in like a second, and it's just sitting. The clock's ticking away, but the numbers aren't changing at all on my trading view.
Oh yeah, look at that. What's going on there? Look at that.
Something weird, very weird.
Oh, yeah, look at that 5. Oh, wait there, let's have a look at this here. This is dodgy. Let me check my MT5.
But the MT5 this morning as well, like on the MT5's moving up and down quickly, but on the 15-minute time frame, we've got a big 15-minute grab.
Yeah.
That's turned bullish, and on trading view, it's a quite a big, thick, bearish candle.
Yeah, me too. On MT5. Yeah, weird. What is going on? Honestly, my MT5 is going crazy. Yours?
Yeah. Yeah, and trading view's just stood still.
Yeah, we might have to just leave this for a minute.
Yeah, it's going crazy. Oof, Jesus, yeah, crazy. That, you can't trade that.
I'm on the 15 minute at the moment, and it is going mental. But on the MT,
Yeah.
on my trading view, it's not even moving. I don't know what the hell is going on.
Right. Yeah. Nate isn't trading. He's saying the future servers are down, so he's not able to trade. Whoa, hang on a second. Yeah, something's not right here. I've got another loss on my.
Are you in the trade?
No, I wasn't. I haven't put any trades on.
You took a loss. It's moving this. We might have to go on and see if NAS is moving. This is not moving at all. This is all the time frames. Oh no, EU is moving, but NAS is not. Yeah, I mean, NAS is not moving either. Yeah, and my 1 minute's just flickering.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something going on here, guys. We're gonna have to wait till this sorts itself out. Let's have a look at EU though, because EU is okay. Why is that moving alright then? Yeah, EU's fine. Oh no, it's not. Oh, is it? Yeah, it is. So EU is absolutely fine. What is going on with that? Right, we'll have to just keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Okay, but that goal might be back up here. Oh, maybe not.
That's just stuck at 166.725 on mine. Hey.
What is going on? China. Infiltrate the system. High impact news on EU. Small. That will be interesting. Come on, goal. Sort yourself out, man. Trade this morning. Can't do anything here, Dan. Big gap there.
It's really weird.
Let me try and look at the
Yeah.
gold chart.
The 5 minutes are mental.
Yeah, this is doing the same. Time is on. We're really just messing about. Bitcoin dropping like hell. Gonna have to wait for the charts to sort himself out. Really, my geezer?
Really weird.
Got a 5-minute time frame. 5, 10. Nas is the same. Nas is not moving. Oh, come on, man. Maybe it's a sign not to trade today, Dan.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can grab something. EU seems to be moving okay. Win a swing trade on EU. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of this box. What do you want to do? Get rid of my drawings. Let's get rid of this. Okay, we'll just do a quick top down on EU. So if we look at the previous monthly closed bearish below this level. Then we've had our top wick, but it looks like we're going to be closing bullish there, unless the daily is going to really drop back down, and that would be nice if it does. We can get a small bit bearish monthly, then I'm pretty happy we're still going to be heading down all the way down, so that'd be nice. My get out of my swing trades if the weekly closes above. If it closes above, I'll just be closed now full and wait for it to close below. Right? But I am expecting this weekly to flip. It's created top wick. It's not that quite done a top wick where I want the top wick to go, because you've got a no top wick area here. So if we could have got that and then flipped to the downside, that would have been a lot more warm and fuzzy inside. I'd like it a lot more. So I am still expecting this weekly to flip, believe it or not. And if it is going to flip, then what is the dailies going to look like? And could one daily do it? In order for the weekly to flip this daily, would have to look something like that. Is that possible? I'm not too sure. Maybe not. If anything, we had this candle from here ended up there.
Oh, I lost the internet connection.
Oh, really?
I think it might have sorted everything out. Oh, I'm on your own.
So, oh yeah, wait there. I think we might be back.
No, we're not.
Good. Oh, no. Okay. So, yeah. So what I'm after is the daily to. We had a doji candle. Another daily close below. But we can see this daily going quite far, really. It's not really closed back into the area, it's sort of closed and respecting. So this level is just my weekly zone. But the level where it's closed at, we're like that. Really, and we've closed respecting. So I could expect a daily close back below, and then next week should be fairly straightforward to come straight through. But it means we would have a bullish monthly and a bullish weekly, so we might need to break the highs before coming through. Hopefully not. So how can we grab some trades then? Well, if we're thinking, okay, well the daily's broke the low now, if it is going to reject and push back up, it's probably going to do it around about now, unless we get some closures on a higher time frame, breaking out to the downside, and we could maybe take some sellers down. So the 4 was bullish, close respecting this level. Can we get a bearish 4 close, then a top wick, and then sells down? Potentially. I don't think we can do anything on this at the moment because we've had such a push. We broke a low. Might get something like this, where we tap, come back up this level, and then we drop today, maybe. 3 has closed. Respecting, the previous 3 is respecting. 2 was broke out, didn't get much of a top wick, broke the lows. I can see it's coming back up a bit here at the moment. If we're going to come back up, could we take a buy from 1.1573? The issue we've got though is we've got news in 30 minutes, we can't even touch it. Yeah, we'll have to wait to see what news is going to do. So, we're a bit stuck, guys, because they're the only pairs I trade. They're the only pairs we trade. If you want me to have a look at another pair, I can have a look, but as for trades at the moment from myself, I really don't know what's going on. Price is not moving. 2 minutes, let me have a look. Let me check something. Good morning, Andre. Have you seen the charts, Andre? Have you checked the charts this morning?
Yeah, I was looking at it. Is the spread in gold like ridiculous right now?
Well, not only that, it's all over the place. Like,
yeah,
I'm not moving. My M4 is staying at the same level. It's just flickering.
And if you look at M5 as well, it's like bouncing up and down.
Yeah. I'm just
trading game's not moving at all.
Yeah, I'm just doing a check now. Let me just read this.
Yeah. Nagel's just posted something about everything is speeding up and Geez, if you look at my MD5, the straight indicator is just like Yeah.
Up and down. It's, what?
The 1,000 pips.
Yeah.
Just mental. What the hell? Well, that's it. When we were just talking, and it just whipped down, give a bottom whip for the daily, and then just shot up 200 pips within like a second, and then froze, and just did stop. Craziness.
Crazy for feeling so lonely. Crazy. What? So, good question. It could be something wrong. Either was your platform or your connection. It's not my platform, mate.
It's not my platform or connection, which is happening with everybody.
Yeah. What info says, according to the official status monitoring trading, but there are no widespread outages right now. Freezing charts of flickering MT4 have been reported by users in forums. Often it's not a global outage, but a connection or configuration issue. If the MT4 version is out of date, it's not.
No.
No,
Everything's
I'm
up to
telling you right
This
now.
is the dark government, isn't it?
Yeah.
It
This
is.
has got nothing to do with the people that are using it. It has something to do with the companies.
Yeah, what you should check on your side, MT5 to connection and show the latest version. Yeah, we've done that. Clear browser, clear cache. I think we need to do that. What you should do now, restart MT5. Check MT5.
When it impacts everyone that we talk to right now, then it's not.
It's none of that, is it?
Yeah. 100%.
So I really don't know what to do, guys. We got nowhere else
Have
to
you
be. at the
seen
moment.
Have you seen NAS right
Yeah.
now?
It's just froze, isn't it? It's a froze for you.
Well, on MD5, it's just like these little stripy bars, nothing happening.
Yeah.
On the 5 minute and 1 minute chart, there's nothing happening there. So it's that's funny as fuck.
Yeah, it's-
And that's it. Just
Top
even on MT5, gold like stops for a few minutes and
Yeah.
then just goes mental.
Yeah.
Dodgy.
Yeah.
I mean, on my MT5, I am actually moving bearish
on what?
Yeah.
NAS or gold?
on gold.
Yeah, gold is doing something,
Yeah.
but it's very, very up and down, very
Yeah.
like massive,
And it's
bouncy. But
It's just flickering.
look at NAS on your.
Oh, it's froze. It's froze.
Just stop.
Yeah.
Well, it's just stopped.
It's fell asleep.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same on Trade Locker, which is the top one.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
Is it classed as?
I blame the Russians.
I was going to say because
China.
oil isn't moving, silver isn't moving, US 100 isn't moving, gold's mental, but Euro USD and the other pairs seem to be fine.
Major, minor. Okay. What the fuck?
It could be to do with that outage of native water.
Yeah.
Oh. My gold is. Oh, price is down here now.
Oh yeah. Let's get started again.
Has it started for you?
Yeah. So I'm now down to 4155 and it's frozen. It's not moving. Titan's still moving, but
Oh, what the heck fuck is going on
look
here?
at itself.
Guys, we got
How did that
technical-
trade go last night?
Which one?
No, Andre's trade. He was setting up trade.
It the price moved a lot before that candle, so actually it got in on a buy, but then it stopped out with a crazy wick to the bottom, and then luckily I used the bot, so I think it cancelled the pending order after I think 60 minutes. Otherwise it would have been a double loss. But it was very weird. On the one account a much smaller position that I put in, and another guy with a much bigger position that I put in. So it was. I think this all started last night already. So I think it was all over the place last night already.
Well, your thoughts on gold at the minute, Pete? Because I've seen that massive fucking gap in the 15-minute candle, and that has already put my back up.
Is your trading view moving?
Frozen.
Hang on.
Don't touch gold right now.
Yeah, it's frozen. I've just seen that.
Yeah, just got to be careful because I don't know what's going on, spreads could be absolutely humongous. You could put a trade on and go off straight away. So I'd just be very, very, very careful. I can't even work out the spread because I'm flickering that much.
Yeah.
I can't even work it
that's
out.
done it for me. I ain't fucking doing that shit. No, fuck off.
We've just got on, John.
I ain't fucking doing what I did yesterday. Fucking trading a dodgy day.
Yeah. Yesterday was awful. Guys, look at Naz from yesterday on the Owly. Like, that's all we done yesterday. Look at that. That is all we done yesterday. Minging, and we knew there was no volume, so there's no reason to trade that yesterday. We need volume to trade. We've got to have volume for trade. Because a lot of people, what they do, right? I'm not saying you guys done this, right? But what a lot of people do is, when they think, well, if there's no volume, what it tends to do is just bounce in between zones. So they'll just sell, buy, sell, buy. And yes, some people do it, but the way I trade, I need volume. I can't really trade like that. You get caught out quite a lot as well because you just get random shit happening. So you'll get like a random wick up or a random wick down, but you'll still come back to that area. So it's just not worth it, really.
Yeah, everything is frozen right now.
Yeah.
I think we call it a day.
Yeah, I ain't trading today. I learned my lesson.
Well, I'm going to give it until London opens to see what happens from there. So I'm going to give it till about 9:10 and then see if we're back to normal. Now, if it is still like this, I'll probably just call it then. For fuck's sake, I'd have to go back out shopping, won't I? I could just sit in here all day. I'll get away with it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Just shout like, oh, it's going up, it's going down. Oh, yeah, awesome. Yeah. Oh.
You think I'm bloody having an affair with someone? Oh, it's going up, it's going down. Oh.
Oh no!
I'll just smoke loads of weed.
Oh no, he's blown.
I'll just smoke loads of weed so this fills up with smoke, and then if she opens the door, she still can't even see me. We'll do that as well. Come on, guys, I was up for some trading today. The only thing I could trade really is EU, but we're not ready. We're not ready. You have got a win back area, what we've just tapped actually. Oh, I don't think that would do it. I want the weekly to flip. It's been a weird week this week, guys, right? So don't question your trading if you took losses. Don't question your trading and your strategies out like that. It's just been a tough, weird week. Yeah, so I'll be on till after 9 o'clock, maybe 9:10, and we'll see how we get on. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to see what we're staring at, because we're not actually catching anything at the moment, head over to YouTube.
Oh, Pete.
Yeah.
I had those kind of win back pendings still on.
Oh, did they play out?
No, it would have just stopped out.
Oh,
it would have literally just stopped out by
Yeah.
1 pip or something.
Yeah. Why did that
and then it would have been always a TP now.
Yeah.
Where I had it set. But I saw, because I also had a buy area also set up. But after seeing how volatile the markets are in general after Thanksgiving, I was like, no, I'm not gonna risk anything of this.
You do, right? It's so hard though. Me and Dan were talking exactly this yesterday. It's so hard, especially if you haven't traded all week and you've got 2 days to trade. It's so hard to get on and then go, okay, actually there's nothing here, and not trade if you've only got a couple of days. Do you know what I mean? Or if you're close to like passing a challenge or something, it's so hard to sit on your hands.
Oh yes.
But we just, you've just got to do it, because I didn't take a trade yesterday. When I come off, I knew the markets were just no volume whatsoever.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna bounce before I change my mind.
Yeah.
I'm serious. I honestly, I ain't doing it. Like I said, I've learnt my lesson.
To be honest though, John, I don't think it's the markets. I think there's a technical issue. I think the server's down or something.
This is the thing, though. This is the thing. You say that, but normally when something's changed, when something's been moved, when something happens, there's something about that fucking day that's cursed. It's the last day of the month. It's the last day of the week, which is where we normally all get more losses anyway. There's been fucking manipulation yesterday. It's just, it looks like manipulation today. It just stinks.
God,
I don't like it.
You've even persuaded me.
It just fucking stinks, mate. And I would much rather wait a couple days and have normal trading days where everything's running fine, everything's good, everything's clean. Do you know what I mean? It's just one day. Do you know what I mean? I would much rather not trade today and not have any losses, and know I'm not going to have any losses when the risk is higher, and start trading next week when the risks are much lower. Do you know what I mean? It's just a day. I can let it go. It's not worth it.
You just want to get on armour, don't you, really? That's all it is. The weekends come and he's like, armour.
Mate, I'm going to fucking go balls deep on armour. 100%.
Oh, yeah, I'll be on there today.
Right, I'll catch you in a bit, alright?
Catch you later, mate.
See you later, buddy.
See you later. Bye.
Maybe it's a sign, because I've got loads to do today as well. No, you haven't really. Yeah, I'll give it till 9, guys, and then if we keep doing this, there's no point staying on, really.
Yeah, the FTMO Discord chat is also just everybody's like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah. Oh, God. What are you having for tea tonight, Andre?
I don't know yet.
Do you get like a takeaway on the weekend?
No.
2 minutes.
Yeah? We
Sorry.
try to...
Andre, sorry, mate. Sorry, 2 seconds, Andre. I've just got to get Taylor.
Yeah, no worries.
2 minutes, mate. Be back in a second.
To maintain a body like that, you can't have too many takeaways.
Do you know what? Actually, I might have to contact FTMO and find out if there's anything to do about that on trade. Because it was meant to risk 750.
Yeah.
And it got stopped out for 2,100. Yeah. So I wonder what they're going to do.
Probably nothing.
Probably nothing. Yeah. They just say, oh, yeah, market conditions, whatever. You know, out of their control.
Crazy. I mean, like, gold's just, it catches up with itself. So it pauses for a bit and then catches up with itself. And it's moved.
I love it. FTMO, they post there. It seems wise to stay out of the markets and see how things will develop.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's gapping all over the place when it catches up with itself. So there's something definitely going wrong.
If the data center is impacted, you don't know how many other providers are linking into that.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so these are
Stop and make a cuppa.
You can reduce later, you little bugger. Is there coffee downstairs for me? Alright, cool, thanks.
Phew. Right.
We there?
It's
Yeah.
still,
Is Andre there? Has he gone?
he was.
Oh.
Yep. Hi.
Sorry, mate. I asked you a question. I fucked off. I had a bit of an emergency. I do apologise.
No, it's fine. Now, you asked about the takeaway and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we don't have don't need a lot besides the nutritional value and things like that. It's also just bloody expensive over here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. We are a takeaway country, I think. Where I'm from, my town is famous for having the most takeaways in one town.
Hartlepool.
Hartlepool. I really wanted to trade today, but it's like it's a sign, guys. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's moving on the MT4 ever so slowly.
It just pauses and then catches up with it.
Yeah, that's exactly what's happening.
And it's leaving massive gaps when it does. But something's definitely not right.
Yeah. Oh, well. I'll be on till about 10 past 9. See if anything changes. If not, I'll just. Jesus Christ, Dan.
Jesus Christ.
What have you got on the weekend, Dan? Shall we have a look?
Yes. Who is it? We've got Everton, Spurs, and somebody else to play before Sunderland, haven't we?
Everton tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. It'd be a tough one.
Yeah. On a high hand after beating Man U bloody with 10 men. Like, that's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Getting beat by Everton at home and they've only got 10 men.
Yeah.
And Slot's gonna get this sack.
Yeah, he is. Ugh.
No good games there, really. Chelsea Arsenal, that'll be a good game. I want to watch that. Bit of a shit weekend, really.
Yeah.
Tottenham, we always smash Tottenham. What are you doing, Price? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Jeez.
Look at that, so it is. Yeah, it's just popping and then freezing, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is going on? Guys, we've got a bit of an issue with, I don't know if the servers, I don't know. We've just frozen on gold and NAS. So I'm giving it till about 10 past 9 to see if they're going to sort themselves out, and then we'll make a decision from there. If you're looking at the MT4, that's my EU swing trade, what I put on the other day. I'm going to swing trade from, should be going into profit now. Yes, I'm in it. I've got 2 entries on this, so if I'm gonna put this back on since we're not trading it. So where was my first entry? What was my first entry? Are we like that? So I've got that on. And I'm expecting price to come it can actually come all the way down to 10879. But we definitely should be coming to tap this level, 1.1308. And then I put another entry on. I took some, well actually I closed one of them by mistake, believe it or not. So it's classed as taking profit. So I put some more risk on it. And I've took another entry here. So I'm at break even at the moment. If the weekly closes above, I'll probably be getting out and wait for another weekly close below. And the reason being is the weekly close below and then baked out back. And there's no reason to close back in this range. If we are, it means we're coming up. That's what it means. Okay. So as long as this weekly, it can close bullish as long as we stay below this level, we should still be good. We might even add positions as the dailies push down, because the thing with this range is pretty nice. It's quite a clean traffic range down to 1.13080. You can get some fake outs or a pullback, so we had a weekly close. So this is what I'm expecting today, basically, and this week. Weekly close, there's the first close below. Yeah, price pulls back, that's exactly what we get. Fake out back into the area, then you get another weekly close below, which is exactly what we've got. Then we're on this candle closes bullish, and then look what happens, then price goes. So if I try and squeeze them into the same picture, it's similar. Broke below, come back up, fake out, broke back below, and now we're on this bullish weekly candle. So yeah, I will be looking to add positions to this. Should be good. Okay, I'm not going to show you what. So I was in this last week. I closed out for $250. It was actually a human error. I closed out on this on stream. The one I took on stream. I also put this on my live account, which I'm not going to show you. It's my live account because I've got to have some privacy. But the re-entry one is on the stream account, so we'll put this on the logbook. And where it is on the logbook for November, there is the Euro USD 230 I took from it. That wasn't too bad. I was a bit pissed off with Emma for a while, but for talking to me. God, how dare you talk to me?
How dare you?
How dare
I'm
you?
in the zone.
When I'm in the zone. So, yeah, I don't know whether I would put any entries on now to come further down, because you're in an area of the only way I'd look to add positions here is if the forward closes bearish, right, and doesn't fill this zone, doesn't tap this zone. If the forward closes bearish in 1 hour's time, and then I get a top wick, I might look to add a position. But well, it'll be it's not a swing position. This will be an intraday position. Okay. So we could look at that, but as long as you don't tap this, if you tap this, you take your advantage point away. You're then going to need closures below this level. And here's the thing: if the weekly is going to flip, we could really drive down today, because the daily candle has to be huge in order for the weekly to flip. If it's going to flip, news is coming out in 5 minutes, so this could completely fuck the whole trade up. Okay. So we'll see what numbers come out like. I'm hoping numbers come out they're just plummets through the floor. But yeah, we can't even get in on a trade at the moment until news is finished. I think we've got quite a lot of news. Look at all that. So this is probably going to be a big mover. I'm happy to keep this on because it is a swing and my risk's not a great deal. But 0.5% risk, $250 I've got on it. That's it. So I'm happy to keep this on. See how news, the juices for me. But news is just
Mate, one of the FTMO moderators just said, things should be improved now when the market's open.
yeah. 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Look, guys.
They just want you to place a trade so they can screw you.
Yeah. That's it.
Screw you right in it.
I wonder how many accounts they blew last night with this.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, even possibly this morning as well, with just all of that craziness.
Well, just to make you aware that I've just said this forward could potentially have a forward. I can see news just gone up. Come on, gold, get back on it, man. Let's catch a beautiful trade by the end of the month. I mean, this month was a tricky month. We took 2 losses. Second and third trade, we took 2 losses. And then we had another loss later on. And then we had a loss yesterday. But, considering first 2 losses, we were down straight away, over 1%. We brought it all back, and we're back in profit. And this is the thing, like, this is where people get it all wrong. And it's because social media ruins it. Especially YouTube with streamers on there. We promote massive returns, 20%, 50%, some people. But you've got to understand that it's about being consistently profitable. As long as you're profitable every month, you might have a minus month, but you might have 1 minus month out the full year, and you're still profitable. And it's just a case of upping your capital. So yeah, as long as we're profitable every month, we're happy. Obviously, I want more profit than that though. Between 1 and 3%, 3% fantastic. October, fantastic month. On 150k account, that is a fantastic return. Right? Fantastic return. So between 1 and 3% is normal. That's what the top 1% of traders in the world make, between 1 and 3% every month. Obviously, they've got millions and millions and millions of pounds trading. Let's see what gold is doing.
Not doing much.
No. A nice cup of tea. I've just had a latte and Emma's just made me a brew. Honestly, no wonder my teeth are bloody brown. Gonna get some turkey teeth though, Andre. I'm getting some proper. I'm gonna get some pearly white turkey teeth.
Are you? When are you going?
I don't know. I'm not decided yet. I'm not.
Are you getting your legs extended as well?
I don't really need that. I'm quite tall as it is, I just look small. Well, put it this way, me and you are the same size when we're lying down. Yeah. No, I am only a small bloke. I'm only 5'6".
You remember the movie Gattaca? Years ago,
Yes.
Gattaca, no.
Extending his legs with the operation or something. Like, oh my god.
It's an old one, isn't it?
Some
Yeah.
people do get the legs extended though, don't they? Oh, that would not be sick.
It is actual thing.
Yeah, no, not for me. That like, I'm still cringed out when I broke my leg and with this metal bar still in it. You can feel the screws. If you rub your leg down my ankle, you can feel the screws.
Oh,
Honestly, you can't.
that's me. That's me.
Emma hates it
I dream of that sort of stuff, Pete.
because it proper knacks in the winter as well when it's cold.
Ooh.
Emma got us some little like heat packs where when I'm coaching, like last night I was coaching the ladies 8 till 10. I don't get home till like 11 o'clock, but it's freezing as well. And the majority of the time it's
Is your
pissing
mud
down.
freeze, Pete?
So I just put a little heat pack down my sock because it aches like mad.
I hate it when your rod freezes
Yeah,
in the winter.
it's a nightmare, man. Are we talking about fishing here or?
Just open for interpretation, Pete.
Yeah, James, I'm gonna shoot off.
Yeah.
There's nothing today.
No worries, Andre. I'll see you
No
next
worries,
week.
Right. Yeah.
See you next week, buddy. Have a good weekend.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, Dan. You must be frustrated.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just be careful what you're doing today, though.
Yeah, I think it might be. I'm just looking at some other pairs at the minute, but I'm not used to trading them, so I don't really want to jump on anything, so I think it might be a no day.
Yeah, I'll give it 10 minutes, see if this sorts itself out. And we've got like gaps all over now as well, so this is gonna be. It's not ideal. Oh.
Yeah, I was going to say we're getting a little bit of movement now, but yeah, I think it might be all right now. Kinda. Still risky, isn't it?
Just got the Greatest Showman songs in my head constantly. Come on. Come on, Seattle. For me, you is dropping. News came out. And then a 5-minute bearish close in a year. What did numbers come out as? Decided yet. Not decided yet. Yeah, I don't think it's playing ball today, Dan.
Yeah.
Oh well. Getting little flickers and then it's just freezing again.
Side of your building.
It's not happening here, Dan. I want to call it, Dan.
Yeah.
Sorry, my mate.
Yeah, no worries, man. It's
The end of the month, it's a sign, this, you know.
Mhm.
This is a sign. End of the month, just leave it. Come back next week. Next week, we'll be back on it. It'll be good next week. And we're going to get that challenge passed this month.
Yeah.
Not this month, December.
December. Yeah, I need a good December.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, mates. Right, guys. If you're watching on YouTube and TikTok, thanks for joining. Unfortunately, there's something wrong with the markets. It's just frozen. Nothing's coming on. Friday, it's the end of the month, so I'm just going to call it early. We'll just go from there. So, I'll be back next week, all next week, Monday, 8 AM UK time. Should be on for the full week. And we'll catch some bits from there. We are currently 100% profit since we've been on monthly. That is the last 3 months we're in profit each month on stream, so we're doing really good. And then I'll see you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. Catch you later. Toodaloo.